some rain on your roof overnight. We had another round of showers and storms blow through. This is what it looks like from on top of the Lexington Financial Center downtown. Visibility out of Bluegrass Airport still at 8 miles, but we've got a lot of low cloud cover hanging in the wake of that rain that went through. And here it is on the move. The few spotty sprinkles and showers out east have diminished, but there's the main wave that went through. And it ended up being a pretty good soaking. Now, nothing like the morning before. I mean, it was on the move and it cruised on out of here. We did briefly have a flash flood warning out toward the West Virginia border, Kentucky-West Virginia border. And the 12-hour rainfall totals show where you get these greens and brighter yellows where some of the higher rainfall totals were. And the 24-hour totals via the Kentucky Mesonet back that up. You had a ½ an inch in E-Town, 1.3 inches in Lebanon, 0.3 of an inch at the Bluegrass, or I should say the Lexington Mesonet site, ½ an inch just over, 0.6 of an inch in Shelbyville. That 5.6 inch total in Jackson, that's because the Mesonet site out there went offline due to the floodwater, so it's stuck. But generally, it was about a 1 inch rain on the higher end. And now we're still dealing with active flood warnings. These are not flash flood warnings. They're just general flood warnings to say there is ongoing flooding within these boundaries. And if you're trying to move around, watch out because you could easily encounter it. And it's still a dangerous situation in many communities into our southeastern counties. So the flood watch continues. It's been dropped here in the Bluegrass, but it continues through this afternoon, south and west, and through this evening into our southeastern counties because we're not done yet. And we've got active river flood warnings along the South Fork, North Fork of the Kentucky River, and as well the Red River at Clay City. Looks like the one for the Licking River out towards Salyersville has been dropped, but there's historic flooding ongoing for the North Fork of the Kentucky River at Jackson. The current level over 43 feet. It was observed to crest around almost 43.5 feet. That is a record. That is an all-time record as far as river crests go for the North Fork of the Kentucky at Jackson. You look at those historic flood crests in the past. So the excessive rainfall outlook, it's encouraging. At the same time, it's not because you've still got a moderate to slight risk for heavy rain in our eastern counties today. But notice how everything is just ever so slowly starting to shift southeast and out of here. What will happen today is we have a cold front hanging around, so we're going to keep a chance for scattered showers and storms in, drop it tomorrow, start to spike it again late in the weekend, but at least we're getting a break this weekend. And there are still folks without power. 5,000 in Knott County, 7,500 in Letcher County and surrounding counties, hundreds to thousands of people still without power. So that continues to be an ongoing problem in our eastern counties, and this could add to the problems. Scattered showers and storms. Notice how they'll develop through the morning and then continue mainly into our southeastern counties before diminishing later on this evening as our cold front pushes southeast and out of here. There's your break Saturday. But you can see some additional locally heavy rain that may exacerbate ongoing flooding issues southeast, so we'll have to be weather aware for that later on today. But Saturday, we take a day off. Sunday, here comes the rain again. Unfortunately, we'll see a rising chance for showers, thunder showers as early as Saturday night. More than likely Sunday, though. Spiking Monday with a cold front. I'm hoping we can move it through and then start to drop it by Tuesday, but we could see heavy rain with that one as well that we'll have to keep a close eye on early in the week. Highs around 90 with some heat building toward the middle of next week.